Friends, today we will see the important sentences and paragraphs of this lesson. Unit 3, Deep Water. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. Now the writer is telling something about his experience. When he was 10 or 11 years old, at that time what happened? Which event happened in his life? He is telling. I had decided to learn to swim when the writer's age was 10 or 11 years old. At that time, he decided to learn swimming. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. The writer got exactly, perfectly opportunity, means chance. Why? Because there was a swimming pool. What is the name of the swimming pool? YMCA. This is the name of a swimming pool. And this swimming pool was situated in Yakima. Yakima is the name of a place which is in Washington, in USA. And writer got a perfect chance for swimming, because swimming pool was available in Yakima where the writer was living. The Yakima river, there was also a river in Yakima, but the Yakima river was treacherous. That river was treacherous. Treacherous means risky, dangerous. That person who does not know how to swim, for such person to go directly in the river is very, very dangerous. That's why writer is using this word, treacherous, very, very dangerous, risky. Mother continuously warned against it. Writer's mother also gave warning, constant warning about that. Perhaps his mother was telling him that you don't go to the river, don't go to river. And mother was also giving some examples of those people who died in river. That's why the writer selected a swimming pool instead of going to the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. In comparison to the river, this pool, YMCA pool, was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep. Why it was safe? The reason is that the pool, there are generally not big waves in the swimming pool. This is one reason. And another reason is given here. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other. This pool was 2 or 3 feet deep in one side, and on another side it was 9 feet deep. Generally, if you go to any swimming pool, then you can see two things. One side is generally very shallow. Shallow means not very deep. And the other side of the pool is deep. Here also in this pool, one side was shallow, means it was only 2 or 3 feet deep, and other side was little deep because it was 9 feet. The drop was gradual. Drop means slope. The slope was gradual, means increasing slowly. Means any person who is just going to begin swimming, he can start first of all from the shallow part of the shallow side of the pool. He can go to the deep part which is 2 or 3 feet deep, and after then slowly he can go to the deep part of the pool. I got a pair of water wings. Water wings is a kind of device. It is like wing. Yeah, we can say fan. If any person wants to learn swimming, then he can wear the wings on both the hands. It is like a bag which is full of air. So any person who wants to learn, he can wear the water wings in both the hands and he can swim. And went to the pool, and the writer wore water wings and then went to the pool. Now in the next paragraph, the writer is sharing his previous experience of water. What happened? From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water. Aversion means dislike. Writer is telling that from the beginning, beginning means when he was a very child. From that time, he had a kind of dislike. Aversion means dislike. He had a kind of dislike, hatefulness for water. Why? What is the reason? Why he did not like to go to water? What is the reason? And writer is sharing that experience. I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. Whenever I would go in the water, I had a kind of hatefulness or dislike. Why? What is the reason? This means hatefulness or dislike or aversion started when I was 3 or 4 years old. Writer is telling that when he was 3 or 4 years old, when he was very small child, at that time father took me to the beach in California. Writer's father had taken him at the beach in California. He means father and I stood together in the surf. Surf means water wave. Writer is telling that his father had taken him at the beach in California, and writer and his father both were standing at the water. Surf means wave. The waves knocked me down. At that time what happened? The waves were coming. The waves, you know that the waves of ocean are very big generally, very forceful, very terrific. So the waves knocked me down. Knocked me down means I was fallen because of the force of the wave, and swept over me. And the waves swept over me means the waves passed over me. I was buried. Buried means sank in water. Writer is telling that I was sank in water. Water was going over the head of the writer. My breath was gone. Writer was not able to take the breath. I was frightened. Frightened means fear. Writer had a terrific fear. Perhaps he was thinking that he would die. Father laughed, but at that time father was standing near him and father was laughing. Father was standing for his protection. Father was laughing, but at that time he was a small child. That's why he had a fear. But there was terror in my heart. Terror means fear, but there was fear in my heart. So when the writer was 3 or 4 years old, this was the previous experience of water, and this previous experience was not very good. And writer, remember, when the writer went to the YMCA pool, writer remember this previous experience. After then what happened, we will see in the next part of the lesson. Thank you.